Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking for a harmonium for yourself and you need help in selecting the model of the specifications you're looking for. I will be able to help you with that. My name is Zaini Singh. I used to own a store by the name of DMS. I used to sell a lot of harmoniums. I have been into this business for over 30 years since I belong to a family of harmonium makers. Very soon, I'll be coming out with a very detailed video of what to look for in a good quality harmonium when you're looking for buying it online or offline or straight away going to a store and selecting it for you. What are the basic things you must look for in a harmonium? Be it the wood, its specifications, stops, bellows, reeds, reed board, what to do with a scale changer, what kind of polish is available, what kind of colors are available, what kind of wood is available. I'll be posting my video very soon for all the information you need before you buy a harmonium for yourself. Thank you so much.